Today I am going to make paper boat. You have to watch this paper. I'll show you. There are only two things that you need to make this paper. This paper and one scissor. These are things all you need to make a paper boat. This is a boat that I'm going to make today. Take on paper. Now I'm going to tell you the first step. You have to take this side, put it to this side. Then you have to slowly do like this. And you see this side, cut that side with the scissor. Like this. Now open it. You see this line? Now just take this side, take that side, and slowly do it like this. First, take this side to this side. Then you have to take this. See this one paper? Only this one paper. Take this paper that side, which slowly active. If you do hardly, maybe its position will be wrong. If the position is wrong, the boat will be wrong. Now take this side and this three. You have to take it to this side. Slowly do like this. Then take it like this. Keep on the trickiest part. You have to keep it like this and do like this on the all sides. Then push the top. You have to take this side and this side, but not in the middle. Then open it like this. See? Boats. Then do like this, this, and this is how you make a paper boat, my friends.
Okay, stop.
Now I'm going to show you the paper boat that I made today. To see how I made this boat. Test it on anything. When you're bathing in a tub, put this bottle in the water and blow. It will also float and move like a real boat. Next time, we can do another paper building.